Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening GeForce Experience and bringing up the Nvidia Share overlay with Alt+C. Once visible, turn off the in-game overlay toggle. That immediately stops shadow play features from running. Next, open Instant Replay and Background Recording and switch them off so nothing records in the background while you play. These steps remove the overlay hooks into War Thunder, preventing automatic captures. Make sure to confirm the toggles show off before continuing to deeper settings. Once the overlay is off, go to the Games list in GeForce Experience and select War Thunder to handle per-game hooks. Locate highlights and set them to disabled so the game cannot request automatic clips. Then launch War Thunder and inspect its settings or options menu. Some games include explicit NVIDIA integration switches. Make sure those are off. This double check prevents the game from re-enabling captures. If you use multiple profiles, repeat per profile to ensure consistent behavior. Finally, stop Nvidia from relaunching by opening Task Manager, navigating to Startup, and disabling Nvidia Share or GeForce Experience entries. If recordings persist, open Services or Task Manager, end the Nvidia Share process, NV container, and set the GeForce Experience services to manual or disabled. As a last resort, uninstall GeForce Experience and install only the drivers. Choose Custom Install and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.